What's up, YouTube? Today I just arrived at Bryan's and I'm over here because he's supposed to be taking Hardin's motor off, so that's what we're finna get into. Oh, come on. He ain't in here yet, so I'm gonna be cooling until he comes in here. Oh, my fault.
Screw Bob. Alright, out of the gravel. You gotta do it out of get out of the gravel. You're messing up the gravel. Pour it into here.
Sploogie. Little plate on him. Yeah. There you go.
Where'd it go, bro?
Fuck no. Tell them what just happened, bro. They can hear the rundown.
Dropped the Circlip down in the bottom end.
Right here, y'all.
Piston Circlip.
Right here.
Biggest no-no of rebuilding your top end.
We're supposed to cover this up before anything. It literally dropped right in there, like right in the heart of the engine.
And I ain't got no magnets that small.
Oh man, live. He went online. The only two things I told him to do is either turn the bike upside down or find a small magnet. And I told him, I said those were the first things my mom went to before he got on his phone to look it up. Thank God we got it out, bro, because that right there it was gonna be a bad night after that. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Getting it right.
Power valve clean up. Yes, sir. That good cancer, boy. You know, I have gloves.
you
Note to self, take the gaskets out before we spray all this crap.
Oh, okay. They look nasty and dirty, y'all. The people watching, if you break down bikes and you know about bikes, bro, you can understand how bad our night was gonna be.
Now you take your little nylon brush right there, scrub all those spots that you'd like to get on freed up.
We'll be alright. You get some fishing pole first?
Alright.
Yes, sir.
You see how one of those is on bottom, one of those is on top, right?
Oh, exactly how that is, guys.
Ready to finish, be cleaned up.
Alright, so it's gonna stall.
It's a wrap.
That was the breakdown of the top end, y'all.